everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is honeybee. Next week's theme will be Father's Day or masculine card, boys card, something to that nature. So please join in with us, and we also enter our projects into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. So make sure you use either one of those hashtags to enter in on the fun. All right, so this week I am using a throwback here, the Scrapbooking Queen, and I am using one of these here. I can't remember. I think it might be Congratulations on Your Royal Edition. This is the main item that I'm using today, which is from Honeybee, and it is called Old Fashioned Rocking Horse. So that's what I'm using. CC Designs, I am using a couple stars from there. Also from CC Designs, I'm using this little image and that little heart there. Honeybee Stamps again, I'm using these gift tags. I don't know what the name of them are. From Concord and 9 stitched polka dot card front die, so I'll be using that. Also from Little Inker, I am using this baby die here. And then from My Creative Time, I am using her rectangle frame die layers. And here goes my baby card. I started to make a tag, but I thought, well, why not turn it into a card? So anyways, I popped it down on there, used some papers out of my stash. I think they're from Echo Park, maybe, I can't remember. But anyways, I thought it turned out really cute. That baby I thought was perfect from Little Inker. And then, like I said, I added those stars and added that little image up top there. And love how it turned out. Love the colors I chose. And then there goes the inside. Congratulations on your Royal Edition. And I added a couple more stars on the inside. But that is what I created. Make sure you use those hashtags, hashtag Satmore Makes, and also hashtag Two Crafters, One Design. And then make sure if we don't come over to visit or to comment, just reach out to one of us so that we can come over and comment. We don't see everything, and we apologize for that. But that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.